What's good, guys? We're jumping right into this video. You already know what it is, man. You see the car back here, and you see the title, you see the thumbnail, man. If you guys like the video, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you guys don't want to miss out on any future content. I appreciate it. But hey, man, like I said, we ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna jump right into it. As you guys can see here, you know, my car's been super filthy in the last couple videos. Sheesh, you see it, man. It's been raining a lot over here in Cali where I stay. So it's a good time to make this video. You see it right here. Sheesh, look at all that. Filthy, man, filthy. See, the carbon fiber is filthy. So like I said, man, it's a good time to make this video. We got the pressure washer right here. Everybody always asks what this is from that last video I made. It's just an old ass pressure washer, man. I wouldn't recommend this one. I'd recommend getting something a little newer. So I don't really have the link for that one, but you guys could find, you know, just look up best pressure washer on Google and find whatever one works for you. But there's all the PSI and everything that it has. I do have the link to this down below in the description. This is a pretty good hose. And this is really what the video is about right here. This Spotless water system. So this is gonna make your life a whole lot easier. And I've had experience, you know, even in the last video I showed you guys the soft water system that I have back there that I used, that, you know, it just filters out all the minerals and everything and makes it so that your car doesn't have any water spots, and it just makes your life a whole lot easier. This is my first time using it, so I'll be able to tell you guys what I think. You know what I'm saying? You guys will be able to see the results right now. But I do have the link down below in the description for this thing as well. I heard a lot of good things about it, and we're about to test it out and see what it could do. Now let's go ahead and move this baby right here. You know what that means, man. We got to start it up. That shit ain't quiet. It's funny, man, because if there's ever any people over here at this park, when I started up, literally everybody's head turns when I started up. They're like, what the fuck was that? And bro, like, all I have is a mid muffler delete. So wait till I get the long tube headers and the full exhaust and all that, man. This thing is gonna be loud as hell. All right, that'll do it. We good to go. Damn, look at all that. All right, and over here you guys see I got two buckets. You know, one for the soap, one to dip it in after, you know, I get done wiping and all that. You guys know the whole process. I got this chemical, guys, citrus wash and gloss. That's what I'm using right now. And then I got one of these, and then I also have another one that I use. Got the Mammoth towel for drying it off. Got this little thing right here that I'll put the chemical guys in. And all this stuff is down below in the description, guys. If you guys are interested in any of this stuff that I'm using, all the links are down below in the description. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Is there a 2021? Nah, 2020. Fuck, dude, I'm trying to get the 2021. I'll save you nothing to get it right now. Yeah. It's a 2021 Challenger Hellcat radar. There you go. Hell yeah. That's right. Keep grinding, bro. Yep. You'll get it. Shit's fucking tight, dog. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel though if you want to check it out.
Yeah, what is it, dude?
It's Who is LouieXIII? Yes, sir. All right, for sure. And you guys already know this process, man. I ain't really got to explain it. You start at the top and you work your way to the bottom. Right, all done with that. Now let's rinse it off. All right, boom. We're all done. Now I am gonna dry this off, but I won't touch the wheels, just so we can see how it works on the wheels. And plus I'm kind of late. I got a little photo shoot set up right now, and my boy been waiting on me, so it works out. We're gonna do it for testing reasons and because I'm late, so I ain't really gonna touch the wheels or nothing. We'll let that dry on its own. We'll see if it leaves water spots or not. That way we could get a good feel on how well these things work. But I'm gonna dry off the rest of the car. But like I said, man, this is the Mammoth towel. If you guys are interested in this, it does work very well. Link down below in the description. And just like anything else, we start at the top and work our way down. Hey, but honestly, I don't really see too much where I need to wipe up. Of course, you're gonna have right here all the water that builds up. You already know how that works. And I know people say to use the vacuum cleaner and all that to get these parts, but I don't have time for that right now, man. If there's a couple little wet spots still left over, it's all good. I'm kind of in a hurry. Usually, even after using the Mammoth towel, I do have to come back and, you know, get a couple little places that I missed. And there is a little bit, you know, I did go over it pretty quickly, but I ain't gonna lie, man, there's not as much as there normally is. I'm liking the first initial impressions, the first experience with those waterless washing systems, the little filters. I'm liking it so far. Another thing that I noticed is the windshield ain't really smeared, man. That water came off the windshield. I just did it real quick one time through it. Haven't used any sort of cleaner for the windshield at all. And it's looking good, man. Not too many smears. I don't see any smears at all. So I like that a lot, man. That saves me an extra step. And another thing that I do usually do, the next step that I would take is I'll come in here with like a dirtier towel, one of those microfiber towels, and I'll get all this, which I'm gonna do real quick, but I'm not gonna spend as much time on it as I normally would, just because like I said, I'm kind of in a hurry right now. And this is something that I make sure to do every single time, man, because over time, if you don't do this, you're just gonna build up a whole lot of dirt. And you can see the little areas that I sometimes miss. It just gets real dirty, man. So if you really wanna upkeep your car, this is a step that you really shouldn't skip. All right, so it's been sitting a little while as I've been putting things away. And I ain't gonna lie, man, it did make the drying process a little easier. You know, I only had to go over it one time with the mammoth towel, and I didn't even really need to go back, but I just like to get those little spots. And the wheels are still drying. As you can see, they didn't totally dry up yet, but the rest of the car looks good, man. No water spots, nice and shiny. I didn't put any ceramic spray, like I said. I didn't have any, but it doesn't look like it left any water spots on the wheels. From the ones that did dry up, you know, there's still a little bubble of water right there, but hey man, it worked pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I like the results. Let's move this thing back. Lucky you guys. 2 cold starts in one video, man. Hey, so that thing worked pretty good, man. I ain't gonna lie, it made my job a whole lot easier, so I do highly recommend that. If you guys are interested in that one, the link is down below in the description. And even if you don't get that specific one, I do recommend that you invest in some sort of soft water system, because it just makes your job a whole lot easier. It's gonna protect your paint a whole lot better. You don't want all that hard water getting on your paint and leaving all those water spots, because those water spots don't come out. Trust me, those water spots do not come out. Anybody that has experience with water spots, with hard water and all that, they do not come out. You got to get paint correction and all that. And if you don't want to have to deal with that so early, I highly recommend some sort of water system. This one is good. It's very portable, very easy to move around. The setup was very easy. It's affordable. So I do highly recommend that one. Check it out. Check out reviews on it. Do whatever you got to do. But that's a very good one. I like it a lot. And even as you can see, man, the windshield, ain't no streaks in the windshield, man. And all I did was wipe it down once. I didn't use no sort of cleaner or anything, no sort of spray that I usually use. And as I said, it made my job a whole lot easier. I just had to wipe it, go through and wipe it once with the mammoth towel, and I'm good to go, man. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like, because it does help out a lot. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. As I said before, all links are down below in the description to the merch, to the gaming channel if you guys are into gaming, to everything that I use and recommend. It's all down below in the description, so go check it out. Appreciate you guys for coming through. As always, man, who is LouieXIII checking out. I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Until then, salute.